If we picked up through testing of your brain that we need to feed the left-hand side of your cortex, we're going to give you some exercises in order to do that. It's important to understand that 85% of the information that comes from one side of your body is going to feed up your spinal cord, go into the back part of your brain called your cerebellum, and then feed over into the opposite side cortex. So anything really, if you're working on your left brain, that you do with your right hand is going to be of a benefit. We have one activity we like to call the airplane hitchhiker, or panning. The way that you do it is you stick your right thumb out in front of you at about eye level. And then what you're going to do is you're going to trace your thumb up into a diagonal behind you. You want to follow your thumb in the periphery of your gaze. And what that means is your thumb's going to lead and you want to have your eyes follow as far back as you can. You're going to turn your head and turn your eyes up into the diagonal in order to do this activity. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to come all the way back up and I'm really following with my eyes. I can get all the way over this way and then I hold for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I trace that diagonal all the way back down until it's at the center of my body. I would do that 9 more times for a total of 10 repetitions. And I would either do that as often as I brush my teeth. So if it's once a day, it's once a day. If it's twice a day, it's twice a day. If you don't brush your teeth at all, that's nasty. They're going to fall out. The same's true for your brain. No, I'm just kidding. But it is a way that we can help you rebuild that cortex. The second thing, specific to the left side of your brain that we do, is something to engage your arms and your legs. That is what we call the appendicular skeleton, and the left side of your brain has a lot of control over that. The easiest activity to do is something kind of like when I grew up in the Midwest we would call snow angels. But down in Florida what we'll do is something we call sand angels. You basically start with your thumbs out to the side with your hands nice and open and try to keep your arms up in line with your ears. Bring them down and then back up. Again, do 10 repetitions of those big wings and then 10 repetitions of the panning activities.